Mantaba.
Akuta to him is speaking his truth.
Akuta the way musi a body MPP ni nyasa.
Allow them. They are in opposition.
Na no crowd was so catch that focus seven one CMPP on man compare.
And so the party nego obetime 24. Nadam for obetime 24. As to where does our focus ubeti and want, you know. Is another thing.
What is NDC for crowd na GMPP aboso?
No. No, the infograph be too. Or see MPP akofa a foreigner.
I want to be GMPP
a foreigner like Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. No more says about the year Hasamina or Kada
or party Kada.
On Baba we say on the Kaya or Kaya so would you
or I dance be a trace
because you did not 200 mommy who's on the fake about.
Yeah. If fake is one cabananka, Omadi Abia BM. Ya somewhere. Now, could I say, Kobisu say, Penny for say, Osuma Brewa. The Okoto, the own farm bay. Sabri, no, Suma Brewa, Abrewa, Sumo. Oh, to an Tom baby, Abrewa. Also, who did tell one permanent view of a Muslim man of amnesty, my foot. Tambe deno ye ya mopamono akuto omani abreu MPP for no kopo mo che o se
omobajo
UP for no
so omonya dey
papa ba ko no se friend say Abubakar Sadiq Boniface Abubakar Sadiq wono so tutu bi gum
awon ka dey on dey na samo usunya dey
Solomon usu ono chese dey nye
ono share MPP for aho Omanhene DC for no janche.
Oh yes. Say between Solomon UP and NPP.
More say NDC ni wo ha o. Ubo say NDC ni on kasa.
We home match.
Yes.
Level grounds.
The friend Derby. Political derby.
Local derby. Nobody
I tell you.
England and Merseyside derby.
Wait, political derby.
That's right. Kotokodi Kimfesa.
Those times. Has no only. When they has no only that only console. Agoyime. Only UP. What was you said? Only UP. Only Rosalinda. Hey. Send the Papa stand you go gare money.
I would the JPP for no copy UP for natural so the engineer.
Oh, copy Chelsea day.
I would the Timmy Kase. If you know also my fumo. My patch or say ma. If you know come Mr. Kamasem Kamasem.
On the country of catching some more panicho. No, I send it before.
Because I know you.
Obani Bema Jano Man Yaya. Woman talk I you.
Cratching where they are with that
one. War of the Roses.
Where they are not.
Yahudo be now the time. Yes, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Yes.
A thin line.
Yes.
Now they've shifted from love to hate.
What? I could hate where they are not.
Because I know they.
Penny be into the 19th.
I'll tell you one thing. You before no feel they were not treated well. You before feel a quiet do omo faso. And then him guasia
you go
party in the go omo. Okay. You don't insult me with a sebi.
Okay.
On pasa bi ni matem.
Sebi impreduasa.
Na we are ka say me hu de ba enti mo pancha me.
Me to sebi e bi kreti me ka say me to
sebi na mka so ye kwasia. Debi.
Na kuapem for no so mo ka say me pache o sebi wa aboa.
I don't know kuapem.
Me pache o si.
DO2 Peter there. Me mo ache.
Me joso ni Omanhene.
Na umpom to say.
You are that dom. You know yeah.
Abusiafo opani eye kasamafo mapa. Emma Ghana National Fire Service. Asante mantam nyina. Odama mo onhwehwe mu kakra. Die na esi yanti China City Mall ewo Santase entwe no mu ho no. Etimi shesa.
Meda se mi ya Omanhene. Mamentia oti for na anopai. Menra bra ya bobe 319 na yinya ntie se ja ato China City Mall I was Santase. In Tintampa, and I was here my attendance before. Omudru ona ejano many I can see I spread it to in fact the whole building. Until there was almost for assistance. Yema 4 additional tenders or can home. Mechi kra kiemi ebe edi omo drip tankers miensa ebe kan ho. Any 2 excavators ebe kan ho. It may contain each within the premises na preventing it from spreading to other adjoining structures. Yeah, reports there of any casualties as a result of the fire. As of machina, it's me abrana. I say,
if it in run now, machina, it's me brassy.
But I a brass and run, but our machine ye do no cry.
Mudum no cry.
But I
as a near me only highly inflammable,
highly combustible. Highly combustible. In
Papa no. Oh, Sreme. Dear to be Sreme. Highly combustible. That is the correct word.
That's the correct word. Flame bono, I know was super. Maybe to say petrol, no gas.
That's right.
But wait there because personal. Like you use mostly combustible.
Okay.
But we more than highly combustible.
Okay.
In fact, information Jana started on first floor warehouse. Now one more foam mattresses.
Hey.
Any sofa chairs, we need to answer say foam. Just too much.
Foam mattress in the NDNS Asamaba.
Indeed, Jana talk within a short time. Na I can see omo akra try say omo extinguishes say no edum no so omo ntimi amfa endum no na omo free fire service e kokko extinguish fire but roof no e KV in walls na no so be collapse ma de na as a time the dunja no kra no now who say visible cracks or walls into no be here say for by arrangement my excavator no aba so that maybe a posy danger a posy risks to passers by in any power around no maybe to collapse and say na cause any further harm here.
Not just everything was rigged down virtually woman for bibia.
Okodum de jana affected bibia obia e ma ne mani ya hye o mind me answer we bibia.
But as at now they moon to me and quantify in some the extent of damage in sika o mashire.
Extent of damage in the jana affected the whole
building,
the content, the whole building, the contents, but monetary value in the means infant this year because investigators to establish the cause of the fire.
Okay.
And also the cost of damage fire no
Okay. Now Ebimu say fire hydrant was not within the catchment area until Mantimi and Mantam near the no cray.
Fire hydrant does not affect in timber, but fire hydrant need the premises. The closest fire hydrant, was Malcolm, 100 Malcolm on.
When you're saying it was not far from your place,
and yet too far from the place. It means was fantastic town, but the near use are reliable. No, the never 100 Malcolm and no, initially a conference you at the back. Were into the buy, I was a tendency to be cocoa fence soon be 100 Malcolm.
Is this a man from Tamo and I say, almost try so bedroom 9 years, I feel more result here. A seep a prim no, a man from one.
Pacho, sanity, a seep prim no more tries or more do no. So, more tries or more friend, engage you or more. Ebi phones no time I even about 317. The earliest time I almost try is almost about 317. But
I didn't say.
We need reports kakra any information kakra pick or grounds no suggested started before 3. The exact time it started it means it was before
frame time
3:19.
That's almost about 30 minutes with him.
It depends on time then start here. There are other reports that check say started 2. This is started after 2. It started 1. So we are conflicting reports on that. But investigations now asked you the exact time started.
DO2 medal asiano pay. Okay. Gentlemen, once again, you're welcome. Now, you come with you know, you're twasso. Asante, I hope you're okay.
Why?
I'm just asking a question.
My lord, I am okay.
You're okay.
I am managing.
Say, Asante, or sympathizer and sympathetic to UP.
That's
UP bear.
Now UP buy already that bear Asante sympathetic.
UP no one can say. You were UP.
Also, will be.
And yet, UP.
Me titi UP na me support.
Titi UP na no so support.
No, say, when
they transmogrify to MPP and UP now, Asante no be any track.
Akota, unse Asante obi a odo alanchere matin.
Me so ya bo ma me pa cho. Se me do obi a no na be chese se do obi a chere me. Me pa cho. Love is expressive. Hey, we see ya kuntu mu me pa cho. Last week, I said I had my sympathies for Alan in the beginning.
In the beginning.
But I got new part to any day.
One support no. Ono Asante can
say it here and I can't
say. He said it here, say support or support no even movement for change can not turn it. But this party I got here the ono there on Tiasi Sentinel, he has no idea.
Akuta no doti mi yira.
I said there is a thin line between love and hate. Man can't know. Okay, we busao. Boy, be answer. Sende all kasa say no. If a prophet told you say boy be someone will be attacking NPP this way and Kabejedi.
Oh, coming in obi a wadi
very good.
Wadi MP MPP dim.
Very good. It's here now man
akwa. For me attack you me dem say.
No, I'm saying say
I don't side.
Ya boy ma say odotimi sisansa. Na wo di na Ghana. Obi a waye obi ho ade da ko timi ebo no tioku no
o sa ko den ne ho akodim
da se ne odo ene de ne ho so akodim
na ko ta UP for mo ho akodidie mo mo akodim bibim
e dey asem na aka no ko jala nchemate hu fi se ono fi se ne hu nkodim masa politics enye nyamsumo politics enye religion. What the religion, rap politics, why you fail?
Ya Boabia Samoa, what the MP, a MPP demo, what be national officer, when MPP demo,
you'll be the bayo one day. Yes, a bit to me, half a part, a dear beer.
Papa, Utun Kaiba Kokra. Yaw, I would also to make a set. Medimania to a dear we.
Yaw didn't need to enter.
When you be a Fenianto.
What did I need to enter? Acquire Moji communication in craft free.
Every resemble.
Acquire Moji free. But behind someone 7.
Oh,
any Casa num be nominated come be a course one. Oh, any part.
What would I say as if you're chin ya buffon ya pacho?
Must I feel you on my chair? Ya won't fear ya or some coffee beyond. One figure.
Zade, ozu onya dey.
On fini. Entini buno e be fono sa.
Ivie dukura na se
before the nyame asese. O makwato mo party meboa. Say we are no longer omo ye plans bia na. Omo fashion mu group no mu say omo ye omo opponent.
Bansem no omo ke catch MPP na no dey.
Yeah, okay, what were you expecting? You were expecting them to sing the praises of MPP.
Hey, no, say NDC na wa bem.
Yabo ma da wonyo na uja kan he say party bia ho power so nya small party nya na kan.
Ai, unya na ufida party
nya Fida road.
Fida road.
Ya wa mi so asem. Ya we. Ya MPP for no akra. Omo accuse Kennedy Japan for say. Omo so omo criticize your mama.
Mama name mom Bawumia no muso jabu so.
MPP for now. Bawumia camp. Omo say Okobusa Abuabia omo say Brian Kennedy say.
Mama
10 months. And to some extent they are right. Yeah, you can criticize the NDC for the MPP. And they say MPP win election and almost starting.
Almost so Jesse almost so.
But mono almost so Jesse almost so no may flag bearer. And no more a soldier. Momo Johnny flag bearer. Moba say flag bearers no attacking your mama no pay and you bre. Now about me how many times you attacking your mother? What to be? Man will come back and also appeal to president. Bring your people to order. So why do you make it look such a Kennedy and criticizing your mama? Brian criticizing your mama. On criticizing is a say. Mama criticizing the party has a national communication outfit. Members of parliament. They are on the government neck now. When you are in opposition, Obinemo Musa
87.
Brown boy and Omo
88 na bako.
Masa. You crony be what done a chewa bomo.
On this note, no.
Crony. Who the prisoner? Omo Chadian and Ada Obedono. And the mouse out by you know, you try to see near the Abumuaka home. What could docket to our open so in your day?
There was a MPP for be crew.
Then your crew for.
On this note, no.
Now, people, Omonja, the NDC, Omonja shas you.
The be condition.
I can tell you, sir.
Afena kofa.
NDC trap them as a show.
Oh, yes.
And now they control the judiciary.
Yeah.
Your mama appointed almost 70 circuit and magistrate court judges.
Yes, high court of appeal, Supreme Court, yes.
And now guys are going no money.
Supreme Court or your best 6 or 6.
Oma bohom man.
Straight.
See how come na say the fear 187.
187.
Yes.
Against 87.
Supreme majority.
On my own. Assembly of my
87 no ma feso.
Why now corner say 87 crack
kwa omo
and almost our speaker.
Now how on say. And also first deputy.
And then say Imani for cry side the EC court. The echo charge. I'm a charge coin no na EC of no lawyer is ankoma. On switch we say charge in this locus be as obey investigation.
One Imani di
my EC no call.
Papa de onya convert ni wi a petition ni ebedi etche ebe salite say
petition omo twa ma papa de vet
onya wi vet ni
ya emsa da ebe so ni na de chi ya na ayi Jane Mensa
kisi ejaben
Dabi Jane Mensa
yeah Jane
Adukwe Mensa
ayi apia hene ayi Dr. Bosman Asare Samuel Tete
and nine no like how much that to
Tete cry the Abia on Boakye.
Four the gang of four.
Tete say why ye juma within the ranks and
the
rising.
How much your krata no ato ho. Krata ne da ho e wu me say ya.
Na kotati omo de je mensa de economy ja kisi ajabin wa ka man we wa boyen. Kisi ajabin special prosecutor.
Aden
yanko de enyi no nso
na kototo o ye dey mine no to ye dey we press conference akota kisi ene de obo kisi ajabe
we adwuma nye na adwuma ya ne se wodi ni pekoko to ko ne ko
akota kisi ajabe press conference wa ye chain say
wodi ni pa ko gina
wodi ko jene ko press conference de kunya kra ye ankanoma be de kra
ya we wodi na sama
ko bi kokko ta si ankanoma
wodi na go du ko
akwa be to lumba nyom kra na mine no
yeah no go kuluba
ade kisi ajabe kokko to a awu de adare lumba nyom to now that's what
assembly nyina ko wie say
na press conference nkwa no wa ya akota check the press conference na check the number of times or their conference
as the some people for feel say omo osu bi so a omo nyansu yo
afina kisi ajabe mo ba pa
now people say ayi bail condition e deda ho na ya agro
akota no de
be say so omo ye hwehwemu by the time I be on 2027 e ko 20 na people for align omo apa omo edi omo asem ko to mbro be 20 say e be jail o say enyeli ukra na wo gi wasomdwe There's a Sikano Wiebia. Uni baby, I'll back with now. Always come a party.
Doctor, no. Sikano.
Send me one panse. Say party my win ye beer. As I say, they make out say, Ebia, say, or says be Ujinaho, allegedly a 500 million senator. Give to your wire nominee a day. All more party no, a winning position. So more opposition say, now Muhuni Asamoah, they become the financiers. Now, who you do in a court?
Yeah, true.
When you watch a way,
Only more than a DVC.
Only the Travis say, Bibi shall have a tobacco party.
Because see, we know the
MP before you know, this the days ahead will be sweet.
Very interesting.
Alaji
Guza will say this year's league will be sweet league. The political terrain ahead of us will be sweet. Share.
I was going to say, Bebe did them rough.
Yeah, by the time, on maybe 2028 now, they want to make it possible. NDC want to make it possible, say, Ghana form person TND MPPT.
Oh, yeah.
I know your mind. Ombe timidia. And your muma.
Yes.
What you say? You try. When
As I say, and you want but don't say, Ghana form a play. Obi wa one say, your mama promised you about chini per good. And then they do maybe no. Now am I disappointed in a Kufuado?
Yes.
Because they were expecting say that Nadu promised them say a penny will not be lost.
Yes.
I do maybe. They see the penny baby cry. MP so much double salary.
Nine. Yes,
now it came out allegedly say they made some bad gains. Said the bear. You scratch my back, you them red bar, Mumwani and Yamo, and I echo. People got angry with the Kufuado.
I got a nuntina made me say,
Nanado said, why may you be a Morgan or be a Kabi Pabonini?
Will you be my
Akufuado ye be power by the latter days in Ghana? The who be Ghana for he.
in the whole bay,
It's eventually a debut ye piano, no be a grand petty. And that is Ghana for you.
And nuntina made me say, the current Attorney General. Dominic Kayeni, Akotamene Yajeno, press conference, no, on your more, no money massy. Akota Debbie, political appointment. If you are saying now, most of strengthening institutions, the fight corruption. Near Kofa Kisia being better, special prosecutor officer say, oh dear, or by be appointed to no a president be back or my friends a security of tenor. Say also we 70 years or so. But it's all Chiobia. Oh no, confessors a Michelin as him to Yamika, own Unisania Maniamano. Oh, mine never born home by it. Secretary Sasa Fedru Babina a bet I say. Me
as a group now
dear we be an akotani akoya tina ma me Dominic any dia make Attorney General akota hwe in as much as say yes mbra wo ho na ye building ya mania de akota to da ho na menhyem eboa wo he niam ni bi wo ho no mo a obeka hwe wo de NSS niam na omo ka no say edu ba bi no some of the impedimfo na wo ho no no ye create NSS pin e de maamo na allowance no na mujibi meanwhile so no na mosa agi akatua as NSS empenifo what you say edu baby mosa ebi kura ko kreti allegedly ko kreti account G loan e de NSS D
allegedly give your worry
and they allegedly
asante nya allegedly ya beka
no penny bi okrum ha ya me fa ne currency ena ayi confidence cable ya me currency oni ayi Morgan
ay
omo ni papa ni nyasem
mekai
to mo chiro work pepem na papa ni invite omo fie no so mo sorry a mo so mo yensentre for mo wa hoden mo de mo pa mo ni allergy ni free ho de
odu ye bema ye allergy ni free ho na nka be hu
mo de allergy na mo gum ani ma se mo de mo mema na me demo mo ko ye allergy no
na nka be hu asante allergy ya na
they say give your worry allegedly you say no our team
football team
you see a whole football team players be 30 no omo GNSS.
Me on my head.
Akotati sane ma we nyina ye hu a. Iti yebusa say one oman ni tua oka, oman ni tua light bill, oman ni tua water bill, oman ne ahan dan amo atim ya comfort say be ya wo badwene amaye.
Oh, you say ya. We subsidize your comfort to think out of your thinking.
Na akotati se ni nyina na se wo ye se ya. Na se be bodin na yakeka we nyina ne di gu anim ase a. Akotasi ya nyo omo sa. The next government omo na besa akogye ministerial appointment ne wan
no ma sa be wia isika
sa be gu o man say to ejakunta it's about time attorney general ye encourage no ne ma ne bi won mekeka na international community
so ha nani
akoto onka onkro obi o wie sika bia
bag sister bag the yiri bag
akota bag ba ko oba koto 1.5 billion bag so the person ho adey all because oyire ekuta ukunu kuta political position now to be toss bag no ukunu aketua e bia abroso e bia 50,000 Ghana cedis a month why ejuma na how many
20
mo akota why ejuma how many months
Omai me obiabo me ka
let's name and shame them
rumor of prosecution no fine you beti makata onyame amo e bia la show na ho nsan so na akofa nsem o gift dey ya ne osesi allegedly
thank you
yes baby so akra o na yes nyina yekoye biometric man but what you ho a say no crepa
here the 48 oil service
to akra 9 months
2
years na unti ukwa risk na yede na me dey on my head mama gift yes ni kunu konya scholarship say no credence wa esa ko UK na yes case ade man na me dey na ha me MPP
na me scholarship secretariat
yeah na ha me so man
scholarship secretariat so wo ko wa asante
nzem
so dem your mind dey have me say
ada kokosa for jebe tran so oka ensem esi we na wo bie
na say mo so akike bi eno akramatese so o ma che guy bibie na fa ko che guy bi a guy na create account bi say ono so ye scholarship secretariat annex na akuje allegedly akota allegedly akwa no yes so akota na yes akwa na create friends scholarship secretariat annex yes di pa what you say
owajuma wa yasa ko
nya me say dey hand we nya on say MPP ma
dey akwa na aye amanfo
MPP ma omu deserve so munya scholarship oma su ama give abati ni wo yere wo bukunu akọ school wa broche for this position what's up just scholarship
ya ni say asika yi na so mo hwe party ma nti amaka ti mo ni nyina fu o
study bibi
yeti wo
mo sha de study bibi yeti chief champion fu won so kola na jai na I am there ya woni ma de the years gone by
yes
na party for so mo wa kogu
party no so party no
yes no mo so party because na party ni bomb bibi
na nye
ene wonko ya udi ye
ene wadidi ama wabusua didi wo mego abrochire na me no police station executive ya the boss abesi wo say ya kwaku manu na me nkoko support wutiri so ni wa pampa
how dare you
why dare you on sa papa na no wo ayo
wo dia me wo se wo
ya grace wo sa video na ka pato
why dare you
papa na wo ni cocoa price ni ba wo board am no why dare you
yes mene dey ya gira kota
why dare you
I don't know me yes
what the age party ma I said you open party
I did the job bre go so MPP me dey ba me agiatum and they know say yeah obi won ma
why dare you
my entie why dare you
sika kikiri na mo aya bia koko mudi kwedi sika kikiri bie sika kikiri bie mudi koko kwedi why dare you me am brano
dare you
me am brano owurati nyame why dare you
It's okay.
Oh, what did you say? You party maba on chair, you are Montescon president of my school. Ever pay Juma, or see your first camera. You have a best scholarship at 12 schools, so Okuta position.
Oh, some penny for the be. What's happened? I don't know, catch them. And penny for the be on my or clearance our tongue.
Clearance say teacher me teacher ni
yama ne clearance no no ton yawa mi busu ase na mi busu ase mo simple yaw
clearance
letter na ye dey afa wo ya bo ama say teacher ni no original
yes
if human resource department of Ghana education service
my appointment letter
director general sign ba wo ko tia sika ma middleman 10,000 and odo koye when the overall terms said director general human resource no money mo she there then your letter is fake
o ma na mara ho sem
na ya gas ye
edu ba bia ho on say e batch some de ko e dey employ obi o wie 2019 2020 senka ideally nka 2019 2020 no
2021 ni enya
tu credit me e ko ye teacher ni no say there
onanya 10,000 ye je
yes
na da na make
clearance it will get clearance e wo ministry na ye ton
on my next for
na che
on my next for na employ ni na no
ministry
obi enti a o 7,000
higher kwa
no kwasem ne say party man ankasa kra na etete mbedifo no to
yesi akota omo keka ayi attorney general no ene kisi ajabi we de me man hint say yesi akota why
Eva why youth employment agency
basentale ho
baby basentale was say so what the omu ba omu investigation wo mo be ko hwe
omu the problem dey more
o dey assemble ba na put frame call
why kra ho na wo ho enu si allege agota
why say bienu kodi akoye na yi bae
na bi ni kodi na start
na bi kodi afi ho na ayi Kofia Japan abrante ya na ye ne kokko wo yi
agota na se kodi ade odi 2 years pe dokwe na mo amaka na ma agota allege
yes say a whole rot no
akuta say one na zoom na your phone ye ntu omo kan e ho na your friend say youth in afforestation le
bo one afforestation nyina drumming nyina ho youth in drumming
akuta ye kika allege
say me dey ma sabi eti awa me say yawe we MPP ni na who hold the position na mama ka sam chiro hwe ya wa MPP benifo bebre a monte omo wasem omo yoko all the time
omo de din
ko yi wa no wa heme
ibubo din chewa ho betwu there are MPP benifo bebre a omo
they are assisting
they are assisting in investigation
we don't want assisting investigation
ebi mo on mo ye omo me masem
your friend as onko
there are MPP penifo ministers ebia every week okoyoko be twice on the lawyers
ani din enyama
omo no kra no in another breath no plea bargain num no niam bi
omo ni plea bargain this
akota me phone yi me ni waka enti
me the phone ma so plea bargain we say tia interest na
ne ja me na me ko akota kro we di akono
sao but e wo mrem
plea bargain no say ba bia kodu ni say me ba be ma o info e the fast
na na yes abra no
yi ni scandal ya wo ye ho asem yi
o ma refi Sam na na ye
and as say kwabna du boy
so mu twam
because the witness ni baba ko ma kisu no omo apande rama ono e koye ai principal witness
mama ne ska kosi wona na this best what is kelema no dey
ba cha mo me ne kanji wie wi ana ye ba say da bia mse na say debate me this year mo ebi mo kan dey bi ma ko je apo ne ade na bi intellectual wit.
I mean, there's a need for doing some resource investigation.
Okay, I'll put it across. Don't worry. I'll put it across.
I said, when you come for this or no, I say, I'm
Kanjin for a crowd, gentlemen. Kanjin for a crowd. I said, "You can't crowd." What was it? I wish I for your time. Ghana for Mumro. Welcome, good morning.
Morning.
Now we're about to say.
Kanjin
ready, you
all right, I know can say I hear for any ETF at the back kanjin is here. Na I know a topic I can want to about how to preserve kanjin and magic drinking water. Kwan obefa so as store nsuo no. It's storage and our preservation. Ya ba have a demonstrate. A brainy brebia say kanjin nsuo no purely alkaline because of that the pH near 8.5 plus. What test here? If you crowd here, say be a 9.5 and a 9. Kanjin in Sony purely alkaline. Other waters a wood man, so they be a best studio. To me, a to be or quine so now your toilet, your best studio, empty into other containers. Now you're testy. You're testy out to me, say, and then purely acidic. A beer ye will a neutral by any demo back. Now, no pain near your person, you can't answer my topic needing how you preserve your water. Ohwe kanjin bottle na ye nsuo na ebi ohwa gallon gallon no eno no ni grade ni very high this 2-liter gallon na ye ka ho asem enti ye were different types of plastic ewo ho even plastic a ye to aduane wo mu ema nkora edidi mukra na eno kra say ye ni etumi eba ho wan hwe ye na ukoto plastic bowl a carcinogenic a obewie na abofra na afaso ana enam so akonya cancer enti bowls na ye won inscription a ye tro ho ade a eye say ye betumi edidi wo mu nso ewo ho na afei bottles no so saa na tie bottles ni nyina na ye wo different grades say me can 2-liter bottle we out to say eye very heavy and then ye different grade na little ones are pet bottles in a pet no ye wade bi wo ha friend bisphenol A na BPA no near ne say a dangerous chemical etumi leach into nsuo ana eduane a contain ana eduane as a bottle na na say plastic bowl na contain enti sa container no say BPA no wo mu a abrekra wo de eduane hye egum eduane o heat eduane o warm eduane o de hot food egum no abofra na di no obetumi enya several issues be hormone disruptions. You heard this bottle kanjin so ne de bia ye train distributors and afi ye agent say ye mfansie wi aso upesa oton wo traffic mu a ende anopa na e bia enwumre because of that BPA na e wom no ya was slight CB or the be man na BPA no o ye research e wo phone so a e kire say inkrofo bebre to minya diabetes, liver problems, heart problems, kidney problems from this BPA kire say e very dangerous say saniama no e be ra ye duane ana ye nso a ye num no na my ebre pini aba be demonstrating so as a kanjin in so no esan say e purely alkaline into ekra minerals anope ya ba nso a to dwaman so back no to mo say e yellowish na no de to de na light green enti bia na ne pH na oman e bia na auto kanjin in so na wo ho a utumo say minerals bia ba be da ase sa minerals no e calcium ni magnesium say wo hwe ekra so yi a utumu say saniama no unhu mu but ebia exposed to sunlight for a longer period possible say obehu sa magnesium ni calcium no mu they are the minerals won suo mu na ho sa de na ense se uyam ehyew saniama ne kire say nsuo na wo no brane ewo mu ohwe kanjini production na ubu kanjini straight from the machine na slide out there to so say ubu kanjini na etise munum kum or say the white appearance or mist in kangen water is due to the release of hydrogen gas, a different molecular hydrogen. Now during the electrolysis process, and kangen in Sonia Bahabe demonstrated, and then he fat reverse osmosis enye, yeah, the electrolysis. And you say kangen water is produced through an electrolysis process where the water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. And molecular hydrogen in a year and oxygen by the oxidative stress by the acidic tube and acidic drop in now after hydrogen gas me mineral content no or say the process releases hydrogen gas which makes the water slightly cloudy enti picture na kanjin ubu free machine slides na ya senima ya no ebini o my ma otumu sa inso no ubu free machine ma say na tie enti as I say esi ho check akra be a few hours few minutes answer na emu aye plane obi a wo kanjin ionizer ana kanjin machine bia no sorry anopa umia so a insuo no emao that cloudy picture utumu say antioxidant ashemu mama yentie this short video
Machine's been around for 45 plus years. This machine, I'm filling up some water. So from our Kangen water machine, it's been around for 45 plus years. These machines are made in Japan, and they mimic healing waters of the world. And what is it mimicking? I'm going to show you guys this. It looks cloudy, right?
It's very
looks cloudy. So what I'm going to do is come on over here and check this out. There it is. That's molecular hydrogen along with free electrons, natural occurring alkaline minerals, structured water that can get to where it needs to go the most and do what it's got to do. And you see it's already dissipating. It's already dissolving. That's how fast we've got to make sure we're getting our water. Most of the water we buy and drink, you're buying it weeks later, months later, and years later. Because it sits on the shelves, it sits in a bottle. And just like that,
and the electrons I won't soon mono. Yeah, that's it. There is another video and so electrons I won't soon minerals I won't soon electrolyte. I have a video in so. All right. Me pacho bet me my last video. No to say the machine is giving you water that contains rich minerals. Enti unum ye pe na boira oni pedua no mo. Enti no bit me num na nipa ni dia dance say ni say afa yen hwe last video na entie dia ma me ne kan pacho sha ase ma yen.
This is my Kangen machine. It is also a medical grade device. You can see there is this gold standard here.
A medical
it is
device.
Certified as a medical grade device. It is used in over 600 hospitals in Japan. In fact, I was introduced to this amazing technology through my father. He was struggling with prostate cancer a few years ago, and the center that he was treated in Sao Paulo offered him Kangen water as medicine, which is pretty cool. So starting down here at the bottom, we're going to go right through all the waters. This button right here actually produces two different waters, a strong acidic water that comes out the bottom hose and a strong Kangen water, 11.5, that comes out of the top. So starting with our 2.5 pH strong acidic water, this water has the power to kill, disinfect, sterilize germs, bacteria, viruses, mold, fungus. It's even used in hospitals in Japan to sterilize surgical equipment. I use it to clean our floors, my bathrooms, my countertops. We make our own hand sanitizer. I even use it to bleach my teeth. When we are using that 2.5 button, a really powerful water comes out of the top drinking hose, and that is our 11.5 strong Kangen water. This is the strongest pH that our machine produces. I use this to clean our fruit and vegetables. It's powerful for emulsifying oil, so it's great to clean anything that's sticky, greasy, your stove, your grill. I use this to remove my makeup. I use this for melatonin. I use this to help me sleep at night. It helps relax my body. I have used this little button right here.
High pH na. One man to me that because I release melatonin. I want nipid and when the kanjin is when you're back, baby, I can make us say be up as offer number 0241
0241
44 91 0241
0241
44 91. It make us say be up as offer frey and kanjin is when you're by a bear demonstration. You just acquire research also king kind. And no I can say in Subiana this year so there even it's not advisable. Say in Swa Obenum Nebesi we also sa na videos I heard and much say other waters no niente to me see a said there are no minerals in it. No minerals na woman a benya longer shelf life. After so be see we release those chemicals into the water. Into oton so baby na nipa no ota di see we mu a trend say onfan to enwuma na onfan engu baby a ho no ejo na etumi ama nsuo ne ama ewom no nsaka kanji ni nsuo no full of minerals full of antioxidants and especially de kakra ka ho
na ebioso oman na yemfa to just say uba kanji na se bia o ware o ye birthday na event bia uba kanji na so ye de way picture ebebo you're sticking you know na
customize am kama o picture o flyer
say birthday then na person we
yes bia and I started some 25 Ghana cedis ya we nyina ama we wie no yemfa ma 30 cedi per pack enti e bia weekend wo ko ye bi o birthday bi wo party te say the way I meet to me bad in next 2 weeks yi ni nyina sa na ma ebo ho kama enti ye be ye flyer na mo enti make sure enkoto nso a ede ohaw ebe bro nso a minerals enimu nso a e bia esi ewia so acha ahodin bi enimu wonya kanjini a ebe boa pa ebo ma wonyini che Musa minerals a gun so no o ye research na Musa enye niam nketwa you get all the benefits enye wan say abrochime mu nkrofo no nso na say a medical device e wo ho aha na yen register and say medical device but outside in Japan no using mostly e wo hospitals na man nkrofo edi ho dance ye de bia say inso na omo no na age won inso no e bo am kidneys om livers inso no bo am enti anope de e futu nkwa na ye de ma obomode anesisa wonso na afa wedua ne nso na o switch a e be bo ye numbers 0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91
91
0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91
91
050
050
737
737
94
94
74
74
Bomodi anenya kanjin is 30 cedi per pack. Distributors and so nya 24-25 Ghana cedis na aboam. Here that say or mine.
Yes, here that say. Abusia for time herbal mixture and I make ho asem kire wa no pay. Bomodi na say eba malaria dia TIME. Na aduane a wodie wonte de wanum ato honam eye oboho onya time herbal mixture what yesi. Time HH any capsules. And also so say bema untimi nyunso ye untimi nya urinary retention no ne ade odunso ane bia kam general well-being and our holding one pem so ayemra unya time HH number no ye 0244417669 afa Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush which will say na niema entutoye emma na total care toothpaste whitening toothpaste and herbal toothpaste ma o sene ho ye den your prince princess monarch duke duchess any kiddie toothbrushes nyina da se ba se ye twitwi ye sin ye dia Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters yen na edi kind for 15 years ye did Kingdom garlic ba Ghana ye did tremendous capsules aba amama infections ahodo bad odor what no was in kanu ahodo nyina no onya tremendous capsules ebebo Kingdom ginseng power capsules ma bema so gina mpaso ema ne ho ye din ye pa ma energy afei garlic na so ekon hypertension stroke akomamu yade cholesterol arthritis any numbness society treaty for 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 and 0597 298 855 na bibia enkoso nyame ya adoma echina and the annual free widows treatment program a year 21st clinic for us say ebaso I say enyanka akwara wanya onyamfie dun enwotwe a oni agya nina ye hwe no ena oba kunani pa jo mo hye so nipa mienu ekoi na ye be ye free consultation ye be hwe wo moja mu na ye hunu se yade we na ha wo ya ma waduro na ye wie nsusu a abi o ha wo se atwetwen na wo se ateka no na moja di mu afrusa na ye be massage ye wie so a ye nya mo sa akwa snacks for lunch so either you get a snack or you get a lunch depending on the timer obeba from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Extra all the 15 branches across Ghana and the Edijume want to be best for 0540311311 3A co capsules the Cocoa Master no aba and then a cocoa who anane hopo cocoa who anu dwane. Na watimi etu anamama niema akoye waist pains beko pulse beko constipation nso so ebefri ho no mo na Colinac Dani Heba Misty Apidank na obenya bi ato RSYD Noviki Studios one kind Malam Abasi First Kokroko Street ede na ye wo ho no mo premier destination for professional photography and film production ye won fidi ahodo nyina for your skit for your podcasting for your photo shoot and nyama ka nyina da frey 0574715778 0574715778 na bibia ye de akoso Sompa chede e na every ene say afia no ahia ene nti afia no hia sa no a na Sompa ye de niema asia kwam se ye beboa amokrani atimi adidie na ne nsa akona no na agyanka ne awusia so adidie eno nti se wo bibi e de ma na ekoba se bia wontumi fa ma hanom a number no momo number no nie wobetimi de kakra to so 0598559802 0598559802 and 0241272990 edino Tarawan Media afei entoma mo anwa cooking oil so them kind of tomato paste no ene eniema ye nyina sardine geisha corn beef nyina obetumi de aba na ebre no so a ye gina manem de aka de yesu betumi de aka ho de aboa awusia nyanka ene eye ekrafo number no be 0598559802 women of faith oyini ni adazua any women of faith ministries akabom second annual national conference baso ewo KNUST business school auditorium block D KNUST business school auditorium block D ya ton safre nyame edifo akukuda prophet amofanchi Henry PCS tabetonyom abna ponsa betonyom prophet Parfin kan woba apostle general Moses Oseibe Kasa minister IBJ betonyom minister Audrey Japan betonyom anu tisha no so say 8th of November ekina ye 1st November ne me da pepe ekina me ne na wotwe ewo KNUST business school auditorium block D ye nyina ye kobodom pemo hono makopeja de na de odema ne manon so or the aba shanon so sawon so obeba jumedi na say women of faith the Lord is our victorious banner. Okay, gentlemen, once again welcome.
Thank you.
Begin say obia ho ye na ene is a weekend, right?
Yes.
Okay, so since it's a weekend, I want to see to it that your weekend is good.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you, my Lord.
God bless you.
Yeah, guess one two more.
God bless
Backing vocalist for backing vocalist for Nasum.
On behalf of the team.
Yes.
As the head of the caucus.
Okay.
Yes. The minority caucus, minority leader.
There's no minority. It's a caucus. The morning team caucus. Now we do caucus. The ladies are waiting.
This.
Where the interior caucus?
Yes, interior caucus.
Explain.
The interior caucus.
Don't worry.
We want to let the people know
that you have fulfilled your promise.
Yes.
Sir, back home here.
Can say we want to.
Don't worry. It's going to cover all the caucus.
Thank you.
Both production and panel.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I pay more okay.
Speaker, they say they so call you and say they will call some more in Tokan.
Russia, Ukraine.
As a speaker, I
know me who here. Me and I'm say
Speaker, babe.
Abambabing.
Oh, that's all better.
Russia, Ukraine.
Yes, you will solve Russia, Ukraine war.
Obeti.
Oh, you're not call Swami. Bra, whatever, bra. Ni any komo kakra bi na fe.
Speaker, they say the Ukraine Russia war no. I do know so.
Oh. But anya she.
Oti mani o.
Mami Musa mona you better ask next week. Okay. Is it okay to keep secrets from your partner?
Partner.
Yeah. In a relationship, it could be your wife, could be your girlfriend, your darling. Yeah, but the word is it okay? That is the catch word.
It's okay.
Yes, because the moment it's secret there, it's okay.
You lie to your partner because the moment you have not told your partner, it means you are not there.
Sometimes it's a way of protecting your partner.
How? Do you protect somebody when you don't tell them? Genesis chapter 2 verse 24. Already say now wait till very much be Janet and now then one confirm the year no I want back. Now what that means everything was played.
Trust them so I can say because you call me and ebunu nyansafo.
Oh sir, that kwase me no just on kasa. That debate no on kasa.
Your intent is not known. So it assumes say so far as say hu otuma adwene de je oye ne ye. Enti no my obeka wasemo wiase bia.
Sometimes the mental state, the emotional state of the person, or if it cannot contain.
What if the person finds out?
Okay.
The issue is there. One can't say no. Okohuna. Is he going to trust you more than Ukachre no?
It's no woman at Yasi.
What you saying?
One country.
Dabio. One in the
some things are kept
secret. And he's been loyal to you.
Some things are kept secret.
Now Bakachre no.
Dabio the message. What is here no? Now what is here no finding out? And they say Ukachre no dey
Papa untumi nka ni nyina.
Oh,
I go on this secret was assumption.
What do you mean?
Oh papa,
the that person.
And then Tom say on my secret here. It is normal.
Akota ya me anim ni. Meka. Meka kire no. Nsa me akota me kawia. Guess ya mafa. Emma wo no wachi. Ni nyina me ka kire wi a ehọ na maka kire say wura. Sese oba me dey.
Na nku no.
Me ku say.
No be dey contain.
Da bi akota say
finding out. And say no ka kire no dey na hu.
Akota me ka kire o. Hey. Me
ka kire na ehu. Wa ko fane ya ne say me
ka kire o.
Ka na ehu.
Akota me ka kire o.
Say udi BBC obi na ohu a. Na nukra dead say afa udi na enye ya. Ene say wo ka kire no.
Akota mi nku nipa.
Papa,
mi nku nipa. Akota se mi nku nipa nko a. Na abrabo a ye boyi side check ba ku bi a me wo e baba ku bi a makọ wo no ba bi. Na se no me ka kire na say
na nya wudi a.
We ye yasem.
Wasi fie be mi oni nya wi.
Messi fie be. Messi fie.
Na wi ni
yiri me ka ba. Akota ebia me ge kra ma toka ma no. Akota we me ka kire wa na ye dey.
Suna ka di fi.
Dabi na say
Bema ka kire. Watoka
Bema menye sika akota.
Onye responsible.
Akota Bema menye sika. Meti matoka ama me girl. Na me nika de say me
ka wo fie no akoto ka sa ama girl. Yes sir. Ka che wo yire. Why ade wo bobra pa. Benya busumi nsan wo fie o me.
Akota se mi ya.
Ade weku no.
Akota mi ya na ma ye we. Nye no. Akota me ke we nyina kire wi a. Like I said, Makowo lawyer Boakye Asamoah no ma ye we la ma me na me ko.
To be continued. Omanhene Yaw. Next week we'll have a debate on the issue. Lawyer Boakye Asamoah next week when you know you have trust. Go and gather all your ammunitions. Lawyer trust mami and you come. But just transfer your mami. As I'm telling you, we no free home. I don't transfer your. Aha. I like that. Namonso a yini man mame. Aha, me also. I saw Nenye Green. I am Mama BBC. Lawyer the point to say.
Yakopa Madumpi.
The Biaboko.
The PI
UP.
Ghana will rise again.
Ghana will rise again.
Yes, Ghana first.
Ghana will rise again. And Ghana will rise again.
Papa.
Let's see a Ghana da form.
Say, Kibinya. Nanka ye how. Kesi da yanimu nka Ghana yesi enso sa haw no yehu se afamiru na wo hosisi no mu bia timi di
ase hia wo mo
hia wo mo chese omnim so mtwa mo ho a ebe san to wo bio enti omo sori a wo ha yesi om betina ha na omo to mane omo wo ye wo na ye se wo galam se isuo na ni wetum chen me de no dream kata shene pro na wo kwadre cheme say
the UP stands for what? Ghana.
UP stands for economic salvation. Every say how we work Ghana say economic salvation. Ya ko IMF sa ban bia ba na IMF ye ko IMF ya ko IMF sa ebro 17 times. IMF yi nyina echi se si.
'Ye 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 'ye
emfaso ben na yenya IMF ntimi empija yen IMF nyina achi edenya dumso dama ye no 1963 eko 64 ebesine ye hye nya ho mfaso wi enyem kanea eye input enye final product the input nti o se nkeno na epija ye economy light industry ni ade yenya kanea ni bipo ni ade ye si e kasei dream utiti sika ekoso aman aso ye sika nkrofo de omunsa abomu a awosin gu na wu twahwe o trim obi antwe afiso ma na de twom ho sa we ba wabobobodin na si ye koba na ye he ebetwa no ho na ateko nti de ye kanese ebibi atwamu no na Ghana eba amanyo semwa nka panyi okununin Kwame Nkrumah nka woyegu amanyo ku dudu bia na ewo parliament
akwai one party state
no kwachi wo ye na answer na obey one party state o ka say o prescribe na che say wo twa ekuo bia eni enyina so o man mu nyina mu if sabri no ku na ewo parliament no mu nyina so na ye mfiamfia ebi gina ho say omu ye hemfo a omu pese omu gi sare ekọ omu krom ekosiesie omu krom ebi num gina ho mason ebi num say omu sikasem
efri ha
ebi num so say omu na edo koko a na ye de wen man nti omu pe eso omu pese omu ankasa di omu so se be ya omu betimi nya omu koko sika ni nyina na omu de aye de omu no epe private sector for ebi num say ye nchiche tumi num na emuntre decentralization and no muti eku parliament uja afose onti ase nti ma o me yeden
enkambo
sa ankambo mu no United Party na je so mo de bo o mo ho ban amanyo se so ene ye pese e bo Ghana for ndudu no ye ka o mo bom sikasem emu na yetimi e di ya twere Ghana first ye ko sebi economy na nim Ghana ni bi owo hu nimtie se owo benkum se owo nifa ye twu ban finfin nti de wokase ye nyina so ne sen no ye center party
okay
we are centrist party because we are centrist party na che se ofa papa ewo nifa ofa papa ewo benkum kambo papa ewo mu na che se odi ato abontin na edom no so sa enye adwene nko a nipa no so sa ofa free baby
pundits of politics akase emre bia party bi ebe free party kase bi mo pie no on survive ye entimi nyina bi mo say you can't even be a third force esan say akwai to say party kase bi a power obenya a mushroom party eta na chi na mukra UP ni de mabwa say Boba attacking MPP as a party. Now, Omani Swadi because you are better. Is that the case?
What can you make abo? Never know Kabo Hodina Yati. The Yensem.
Meet you.
Sompa and they say, Party Kitwa. Intimate Matumi. Say, Okane sa. Now I want to say, if we are such a ye anywhere.
You beat me about. Okay.
And the National Science and Maths Quiz. Who do you see?
Mancransufo.
One two 8-time champions.
For
8-time champion. What do you remember? About 8-time champions.
Omo chapter sec.
Omo free baby to 8-time champions. Ko UK. You did two so say. Omuna. Sebi. Titi ye. Abrofo titi ye. Nti yehwe omusubai. Ene Reform Party. Nigel Farage, Palm Conservatives, Liberals, Greens, parties no aye be or Parliament. Obia wumu chefa. And this is Canina na ye Conservative Liberal. Straight ni bim. And then what check
even South Africa now.
A honey dear fekra maye. Said the majority ANC. Who would have thought? Why pa the beginning who say ANC bidra? ANC beto aba Omeko Alliance. Every say super majority 64%, 70%.
nso amamu bɔne ɛsesa nneɛma nti wohwɛ a amamu a ɛnso ani nti ɛduru baabi no nipa nyɛ sɛ ɔmkɔto ma obi foforo ɔmpaaba ɔmanya alternative so ɔmpaaba nti afei deɛ ɔmonto aba no koraa wo ANC no a yɛwɔ rehyɛmu wɔ mu sɛ wode yɛkɔbɔ hyɛ asase so afei deɛ Sompa FM nneɛma basa nti ɔha no ho koraa nkɔto nti ama ɛnɛ wɔn ne Democratic Alliance a wɔn de apartheid ba ya wɔn kuti a wɔn no asan akɔbɔ ebu man no Ghana ebibi atwa mu ana ekuo nketenkete no sɛbio wɔn nya kwan no na sɛ ekuo akɛseɛ mmienu nya nyina yɛ ntia ɛnɛ de wɔn agyina me ehu wɔn agodie ehu sɛ wɔn ntimi mmoa yɛn
okay
yɛsi mu no 92 no na eja chairman Rollins who born dog so we ko gira ho say wo ko tu chairman Rollins ade ni abere so be president edi ofam 96 efina na manko nkrofo to ni so munya no man ne de onko na nyesa obe haye ti asan to abama kofo kra di nkunim 2000 na edom dem hyehyom say Rollins mfaade no
e be saba
nti sabre no so okoti ku kitwa se de guzita no te ne ho na che se how did I hedim no enye wo ku kitwa na wakote no kese no kra no he wo so ene di twam kokofo gofo penso ne hu se se ade na ede utimi yi wanim eto aba
ya amanyo
anya amanyo bibia ento ena eho ne ma afi de dom no enya agidi afi o mu yi o manim se me gina ha so atias nti me gina ha no eno nso aso akoduru baabi a ene no wo mo di akira che no se na de yi woto santini ba nkrofo ifi mi biem wo mo ye de omo pe me nyamu mfaso eno nti wo hwa bibi ba na ese skirt and blouse nkrofo ohwehwe de ebebo omo okwa wo hwe nipa no won hwe ikuo ni bi
ba MP mento ma no beto ama MP ba mento makuo no
won hwe kuo ni biem nti wokoto ama nipa na ogidi se obedi ni kan na kobo hye asase so no to otimi to ma MP on to ma president obetimi ato ama president on to ma MP ana obeto ha no ato ha wo pe nipa enye ekuo ni biem efisese wasokuo na hwe hu se odi kuo na chi saa kwa ekuo ni mboa ena afi de aduru ni se omumpie nto abakora abana ekoto no nansi ha se nipa be popi miru na MP
about 2.4 million Ghanaians
MP akoto
ni nyina so hwa baby ana ahode ne won ye MP for nkrofo
thank you efise omuni akoto so bia wo akandie no na ekuo no de bre wo mo no nti so obekwa akwa ha no ho akoboa no wagina saa tumi na man ndi onkokura nti ye hunu se ebre na so se bi miyunu no a edandan no se dom no eni so ade hunu no afiri wo mudia na ewo se engina baby they need a credible alternative oka third force no a madini kunkun kese hu third force otiase na third force ndi wo mu ani se Ghana fo benya kokoduro akase se metina de metie no a akoya atache mu aforo mu a mehu manim kwan de ba mehuri nsi na me nso bibi fufuro nyere enhwe na meso bibi fufuro ahwa how be ne wo akanie enye kuo no nko a akanie se kuo no de wo ho enu nti na kuo no omumbu mu na wo ho na omutwa omo ho nti na omummu na emum akanie a ebetimi
kuo no de ba
ebetimi asiesie wo hawo nti na ye ka se owura kire matin wo hie nipa bia okwan so a me si a me se ne kakre me jina traffic wo mu digwa yi be twa me ho hia ye twen ho obi won so a ohumi wo se anye ono a so otin ka chem se papa na de sebi enim de so ye nya no anka ya de ekoso mai mu ye nya no anka o wadofo pi na de ne ye nya no anka efise ekuo ni nim de na nsa na bebom no gise onyakuo bi de botra abato
that's right
enu na sesei no ya adwen free bread tea movement no ye de buy se bi na nhihye no e wo fom efise ya ankre ntina nhihye no wo fom yekoto aba no nso no yeni nkrabata ho do ba binti abato na ankoye sebi omtwi fa suani
that's right
ende dokre MBB kura ko Supreme Court ye wia no ende su twa no ko Supreme Court ye wia na ye ende omtwi ni suani nti ye firi ho no na ye chitaafo ne se sɛdeɛ tie biara no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsesa yɛ ho ne nyɛ kuo sɛ beebi nya nkorabata baabiara na yɛnya MPs ɛfisɛ nkɔmmɔ bi a nnɛ nenam aseɛ ne sɛ o nnipa no deɛ ɔyɛ kama na mmom no wotoma no a
hwan mu na ɔde ɔmkɔbu maa no
bɛyɛ adwuma
okay
nti seesei no ɛba sɛ yɛtumi anya kuo a yɛbɛtumi de nkorabata nyinaa sisi na yɛapagya asi wɔ ne yɛnya MPs a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛama Ghanafoɔ ɛkwan sɛ Sompa boni da so no mumpagya se mumpagya efise mubɔ nipa ne din se de yama mo kwan yama mo car ya de hyen abesi ho a mumforo nipa na ayɛ driver no mumforo kan no no nko ana nam afi de ɔde hyen abesi ho mumforo hyen no efise hyen mienu dada na esi ho no de utina mu a ɛkwan so maintenance o monye maintenance ɛkwan so overheating mate agye ne sika ɔde adwane ekwan so tire pai tire no omnim se be pai o omo se meta gigiska o de adwane da bi eja mo kwan so ntimi ntonko so emfuro saa trotro no a se be omo nsiesie ne yie no nti car mo no abesi ho nti third force no a wo ka no enye se bia bibi a prekope putupu na aye kese na emom no eya ade a Ghanafoɔ e wo se nya kokoduro ye to aba no a ya bra ya ni ha de ekoso no e wo se nya kokoduro efise ekuo no a otimu no ekuo ndi wo ho afebo na emom no se kuo na ma o kan die pa udi akire kwa obre ekuo na ma o kan die pa udi akire kwa obre nti wotu ukuo mu kwa na obetimi akopre.
And as an infograph that is alleging say they've brought in a foreigner to the point that even Samira doesn't have a card. But you won't kind.
Bia ye can twi said the ombachire mu no matro no. Twi no ne foreigner no. And yes ronko. Then the American say nipa no a na na do be fa no. E be di kan no. Sebi ni funu manye MPP.
Enti any foreigner say free Ghana. Emom ye ka party ni ba mapa.
Yes.
Ofri abonten e be ka
yes. Mu. Yes, ofri abonten gokura na si baby ofri ni NDC.
And also the end say because ebesi ne kura say
NDC.
Ni nuanom bebre.
Na busua ni papa no amu oba Ghana hakura no. NDC ofri abrochire ba Ghana. NDC so no number ya obenya adwuma kese ye okwohye Bank of Ghana. Oti ase. Sana meka. Menka ni se woye my friend you free baby.
Okay.
Menka sa. Me.
So ye can party no mama.
Ye can party no.
Baby a ono nchi no woye NDC ni.
MPP. Omoma. See me MPP abontina me chiro MPP. Menka se ye ma. Me say omoma. Die ombe yi no kandini no. Omma ne kwan se onsem no anfa de obetimi na ye adwuma se na bade akire adwene ne se abade akire ne yempere adwene ne se uhia one ne bede ebeko ba joti ase enu nti ne ma okwan se omma okwan se wafa de openo
otimi na ye
ne ba se de obeya bade akire no saa pono no ne de fa so kodi mampanyine dia se be ya apre na wo se epre e se ndie na ye akyede
very good
untimi infa mampanyi ase enche sa se wakofa obi wadamfu unua na odina betsa se wabedi achi na wabeye mampanyi wanya bedi abedi achi ne wo ye mampanyi entisa
okay
e wokuo no adwene ne se odi nipa nbede ebeko ne kon do kra no a
ene ne
se wo de wo se otwe ho adwene ne se wo ne ko enti wo se otu nufu se wonyai ontwene ho so ono no ya na dwe so obekọ dia na ode ono na ho ode
ene eko
na saa ono nko ade na ho ode kwa a enkosi hwe afise dom no nim se kwan ofa so e baaye no e adofode otiase saa na ekunumti nti se wo akofa obi ne naba sebi nipa na akofa baaye no se de mikan odi funuma enye ho no etwa obeduru ye no ye che no kwan ɛhɔ no ɛka sɛ o we de muntwa ɛyiri bi
Sompa card ya man card
nti ɛno kre sɛ no nye ebia na no man card na man card wie na sɛ obiri aso a onko we di 16 years watna opposition 8 abedi mampanyi 8 na dipa na ode ubaye no chinchina a wose gise wa ɛna obesa de wa to aso na chinchim nipa nsa kuntu na se amiemi ankrofo saa ɛde wa besi hɔ a ɛnkyerɛ sɛ sɛbi wa bɛyɛ MPP ni na se watna mu 16 years de nkyerɛ sɛ wufunu ma na dane na se sɛbi o odwa wa hoden ɛna bɛtena de wotie no ɛno ɛde wantwi ni ntawantawa ora kyerɛ matin oni ba omia empre o oni ba omia ampre oja hokwe oni Alan oni nana ene primpri no efiri lego omukọ primary baako no Alan gyina ne naso ne nana impre no nana bi di president no ansana oni papa yi de ekoye no nipa no dɔɔso nti de MPP for koye ye frɛ no super delegates eno no selection ye semu ate so enye no ne de ehwɛ se we na adi kan na we na atosu mi na eno nye pere mpacho ote ase eno nye pere o ma mo pere ade na nkasa na aba no wo ho mbekwa akoto na emomu no ye sem na mra bi wo ho se nipa no buru numa o se mu sem enti saa nsemu no a alanko obi a Dr. Baumia ko obi no enye election mpacho ote ase nsemu na chi no na alanse bi ekoso no enye ho bi wojai ohun kwai efse mai mu baby odwan pe no den fufu bo e ba manyo se mu a ya nchichire wo mbo baby ase chinchini a ho na wo se wo nti se wo se sin o ka se o question kese na o ye no ka se yen ye gidi se o mafiri o mo dada mu akọ baby e no kre MPP mu tin ne kwan so obi atimi ka na dwen ye niema pere yo bia timi hu se bibia mu fine Sompa FM sa edru selection no ne ade na yo mo di papa ne isi so no sa ne mani nyina no o mu busu odi ase enti na chese MPP ni suba ya den asesa MPP ni suba asesa ti MPP ni suba ya asesa no wo betimi akase ne MPP no enti se
de na wonim
de na enim no a eno utimika oboso asem kwa paso utimi kire wadwen kwa paso ye gitumu ye tiewo ye papa ye fa nye papa ye bagu na so ye tiewo atan bia ni akire
o matene o monsa se mumra mfa dom bodom adena
anya no kure obi antene ni nsa se obi si wa ma amnesty bemena
amnesty no na chese de why boni nti ye de achew and I also so boni a waye to mo nche o boni a waye
boni be ma ye
se party ne se wo free party ni mu ko ba bia wo forfeit wo leader wo membership
enti wo mo ye boni
eno de se nye boni
enti boni be na ma ya
bia why party ni dom
wo see madwene ye me se me wo ba bi kwa me kwa ma yi me ho adi ena ma yi me ho adi na me ko enti boni bed ma ye
enti unhia so obeka se me de oboni a chew
dabi boni bed ma ye me gina me nan so a me ni ma de kro nti a mabbo be ketemu a masore ko mabbo be ketemu no masore ko mani da ho
na ma u tiki sa decision
eno na ma kire we ade no ekuo no mu asesa se de na tie ye nkoda bire me ka hono mpege ekuo disi ho sa bire da mi wo school paul mu nti bi nim ko no asesa enti me kon no de ekoso no me kon no de ekoso de me kon do ne se ye be ni obi obetimi asiesie man no na amanyo sem ensi ne kwan
okay
na me wo gidie pa se ala nkyere matin ene betimi asiesie man no me wo sa gidie no me fapem enyame afise ekwan a amanyo ko ndi papa na faso no senka nyame enkura ni mu a nyame nsa eta no edi na chia enka bibia ye no nke bia sisi kura no wapɛ baby afa o tire me kan se enti mi
no ma show no pepe ankasa
mi wogidie pa nze ye mo kura nna mo nkyɛn a ye gidi different ye yaji ye de kina yaji ye de so ase sana na ku no ma bɛyɛ wɔde ne pria ni prenum so no eduro bi ni sɛ emu akyɛ bi omo ala na omo nana ene omo abayi omo kasa nyina sabire no omo bia ni hɔ a ekuo no gidi sedachi bi ko betre Sompa FM ala free montina edom a etala chi akopɛ baabi agina ewo machi but ala anfo omo kunum free bria nana be so omo no ebi akomani pa ma bebiri wo ho ya pia omotiko afri ekun eye no kre enye suasia sem eye no kre eye free bibi album so what din album ni ehihya ni pia ofri every say oh yala e pia ofrim so ati ase nti ekunu so baya sisa na se ekunu so baya sisa na se menyi ni se babia so baya na di ho makoduru no ebetimi ama ya kan ya ebe siesie ya da achia na me ho kwan se me sori ko so ati ase mi ana mde me ho baaye na mi ana me so
na se me hia wo chowpa ene se meyi eson afiri so because one year bonnet.
Me year bonnet.
To win here amnesty.
Baby. Me here amnesty. Sir, who kwa amnesty neti kokura dia. Senka wani abre. So pese uye bibi papa. Sebi, unchure viasi.
Come about me. Yes, sir, you've never been a call to your phone.
From who? Nothing personal.
Social
media. What my amnesty social media? Na mi dibrika se de ma ba se de me be ye de me ni hwan na e be kasa
ebinim were expecting senka multi UP no mo be hu nipa bi a na omo tai ala echi ase omama de omo se omo dwa so ne MPP atena typical example bi anim the relationship between Afoko and Alan okwa akopre national chairman
Afoko ono okotina na fuom no Wama movement kura.
Okay. Movement when you need to.
If he said, Ninsem ni ba ya, say, Dimrao, ya famro, ya di tuno, dear solo. Ni na ka hobi na kuri suma ya say no. O di azie. Sa ku credit if chire sem no ye bubu nkontagu fiase no. Sa de ma no. If he said sa sem no to no. Otenefu ye ntinenka e wa majo tsemu ye si mu a ye ala adwuma ye wa ban num kura ye ala ye wukuduma ye ala alan for president kura na ntinenka
okay
ene ye ko movement ntinenka ye ba UP ntinenka wo UP ye hia e wo abontin ahimfi mancha oti kokoso ye mo fa cheme
Amsamba me
de si mu kura so America sa no mansre me kopie so ame
I fact
it's me fun baby monte de mono naba so ya antininka baby nansia de oti kokoso yi kesi ba ni ekohia no wo ayi ase na Alan etani nchen se hono banyimfo pa na eti ho na amkotrai bibi atwam ni nyina ye sane man nyina ni ehun wo ehun ba bia wo nti onye obi a odom movement
okay ana no abeka UP
so atias nti na ehia se na UP de kura no so de fa de ne se enye MPP fo kwa ene ni da omuso bukai se movement ye bibi na e friend Alliance for Revolutionary Change.
That's right.
Alliance for Revolutionary Change no ade be kum ni fa nyina e bai and they say you been paying for pa no PNC for nyina wo.
Oh okay.
Ye ni e be see
that's that time on abusakara ho di
komo. Ye be see atwe obi a eden ebem enti ni e fa United Party no just say brand United Party no ye na ekuo nkitenkete obi ane ne haw
no makabum
no obi ane ne haw Nothing People's Party for no free isrimba yin for no mo pese wo mo sunya chunk of development yin eko isrim ko hwe mo nkofo
that's right
Gashife Mokpe Youth Association. No mono pese se kuroti mpona ba. Omo sa so dia. Omo pe chefa kese.
Some benefits.
Omo pre benefits. Muslim Association Party. No more wen omo som.
Sompa.
Som enyina so no de pre amayosem. NLM koko panyimfo ene kwan ombefa so a wo musika sabre no koko sade
mbebo ho ba
na omode ACC man no nti kwan an kasade no dodo ne kase bebo omo na no omo no so omo pre na se beba omo ho de ha na omo petumi a omo de bebe omo nti omo so be federal no omo pe and then the federal no you can say decentralization.
That's right.
So what you say nti obia ni adwenya
Odiba
na omditi parliament wa e ba so mo bom no they wanted to do it for political survival. Until that time united no e how ne was political survival. They united for political survival.
We did say a number of MPs and offices across Ghana, 275. Do you have the financial muscle?
You'll be shocked, sir. So far Ediya Makoleti, almost 80 for MPs.
80?
Yes.
2028,
for now, Omo express interest.
Okay.
They have expressed interest.
80?
Now, yes, so far.
Across constituencies?
Across constituencies. You see, sa kuomi no, epono na ye fa edi ba Ghana nim no omo atopono no mu evi se ayese jese ugina omo de yeso ene waba enti wo kopere a ne ayi wa firi mu enti dipa ne pii wo ho omo pepa se obeso man no a omo nya kwan evi se kuo no kwan no esi kuo no mienu nyina kwan na esi ansa na ebebia ma no nyema ebekoso sika sem ni basane atro ni ne mane ma ebekoso no nipa bebiri ni sa akokodro no omo su bebiri wo ho omo nya akokodro akopem a Oma why? Sani pani nyina de wo pepa ompeso mo mai. Ya bi ensem. So what I say. Nti structures no. Your regional offices. Yeah. Ya here see district offices so ya here see Nti ebe kakra no all over the country we have all the structures.
So now you have every approval from the Electoral Commission.
A two-step process.
Modru Himfa.
Two-step process. First process or provisional certificate. I don't know. Your initial primary founding member, your initial national leadership.
Yeah.
And then Ubia OHCC leader be interim. Means be interim general secretary because I'm yet to be voted on by the Electoral Commission.
Okay.
But they need to see that you have somebody who is going to run the party. Okay. Be interim. And now or constitution. Any rules. Any logo, no symbol, bibia, we are saying,
see, a was the CND, San Francisco, by election, about Muntiminkuji.
As a party, there be.
Okay.
Because your provisional certificate. The answer main certificate, no, you put the structures in place.
You see, I'm more structures.
Then,
all the 275
we've inaugurated all our 16 regional teams, 16 regional friends, executive, interim to fight for the establishment.
Okay.
Of the party. So what I say.
That's a UP. Yes, sir. The Anglophone case. Oh, Ngusiaga.
See, I can't say something that. Oh, case ikuon kitwane ba.
Omuntimi survive. No, Makoye a poodle of the big one.
Movement. Omso afranto be wintem. So Ghana politics no. Enye nchire mutintin bia. O kan slogan bi di to ha. O afranto dey say e kira ko obewu. So ma atwini ama so say afranto no nsa kira no ofamu no. E ma no ye din. E kira hodin. E kire enidaso. Efi say ye wo no kosua. Na adane sonsono. Na sonsono abedane ntoma. Na ntoma na pai na afranto no tu. Emu bia no obetimi akonachi. Emu bia so ye major transformation. The year no afranto na e fire no. Ya dwen say we want to transform Ghana beyond a level yintimi sa amayechi. And step by step that transformation will take place. What you say? Some guys have afranto no be wu no. And then ya afranto ina when you na be United Party. Sana United Party so obo say ebe bada abano omgazi oh that's a way there omtete hosa if you say bichire mu no they say akono na aba there is appetite for change there is genuine appetite say bribi no na say nketwa no emu nhye de ni ani da so bi omo na gidie wa kasie num say wo kasie num a abo ho ban wani da so obenya bibi afiri mu ene no akese no nipa kakra bi da aso eno mudidi nyafu aban ehunya no mudidi didodo no mo di achi no masom ni nyina no omani aha nyeso wani aha kwa oma paaba two different things wani aha ne se wa paaba ne ya apathy ene de na chise waje kukura so na so waje kukura na otifa kwa so otiwade so
okay
so this is the time for a party to spring up and grow because a party need to make credible leadership, credible alternative, credible policies. There will be a difference.
Okay.
Unfortunately, here in a party now, we have a credible plan, a credible program, the Great Transformational Plan. Okay. We are the first political organization. Yeah, and she share a plan. And they got two. The panel say, "Munshim." Me hwa chese yema hwa emeni jibibia me kai say
okay
asante hene ji Great Transformational Plan bedwum e de to na so biebie mu o ka kire Ghana nyina say sa di we de se mutumo owura kire maten a obesa kire Ghana ama Ghana
okay menu apeni memre nti menim say another time the days ahead of us come on baby what are you about Lawyer Boabe Asabwa and I would tell in Kano Maminya birthday so happiest birthday to Solomon Osea Samoa aka Abrantie of Pechi #1 from your parents and the entire family. Another birthday to Christian Owusu aka Arrested from Father Bronzy and Kwaku Settings. And then blessed birthday to Joseph Bimpon, aka Sky Deco, from Nana B Fashion. You Animal and the Adimobesi na Yabeda Ira Yabuabe Asamoase, interim General Secretary of United Party. Bidi Omanhene Yaw Boakye Mote Kokua Sante Yeboa Yabuama and Ejako Enka. The program is ably directed by Ya Grace, supported by Kukua Jando and Kosia someone and Gideon or Keo Gideon or Keo ni birthday Gideon happy birthday to you Camera yefu Kafra Keo baby omoton paboano and na woda Gideon Morocco Gideon Kroma of Keo Morocco baby omoton paboano ehona Gideon wo happy birthday to you abusianfo ye pagya mu no mo de agudi ehun sema to aso Gideon Morocco